Hey guys, how you doing? It's Tony. I just wanted to update you guys on the new plays that I actually bought today. I was looking at a couple of tickers. I'm playing tech right now, and I wanted to focus on tech just to kind of see how the breakout really works, if it works better on tech or certain sectors or whatever, right? So as of right now, I did look into McAfee. I have 2 calls expiring about September 17th, so about a month from now, a little bit more than a month. 2 calls right now for $30 each. Currently, no, I'm not up any percent on this one because I just bought them today. Don't expect them to be. And I also bought DropBox. I bought DropBox also. I bought a 3-call strat. I bought 2. I bought a 35, a 32, and a 34, all expiring September 10th. We're already up about 9%. But you guys know that it's the take profit is the same exact thing. Look at DropBox. Look at the DropBox chart. Look at the McAfee chart. Throw your own fibs in there. Remember, throw the fibs. Look at the forecast. Drop it down 5% if you want to be conservative. Drop it down 2.5% if you want to be a little bit risky. My first take profit, I think, for DropBox is like 35 bucks. I think about a month out. And for McAfee, I think it's somewhere around. I forgot what it was because I didn't see the chart right now. But just wanted to update you guys on the new ones that I'm actually in. One more that I forgot to mention on my last video. I am also in. I mentioned Shop and Crowd, but I forgot to mention Wing. I actually am in 3 calls for Wingstop. Currently down about 30% on these. So we are down on every single one of our previous calls. So Wingstop, Wingstop, Shopify, and Crowd. Wingstop, we on average we are down anywhere between 30 to 50% on those 3 calls for each ticker. So keep that in mind. We are 7 for 7, but right now on Wingstop, Shopify, and Crowd, we are down anywhere between 30 to 50%. Again, this can always change in the next couple of days because my options don't expire for most of these up until after August 20th. But as of right now, they are at a loss. Like again, they don't always play exactly how you want them to. But we still have like another 2 weeks or so for these to actually get for Shop to expire, and Crowd and Wingstop. I think Wingstop is at 9/17, so we got plenty of time. We still got a month left. And for I think Crowd, for Shopify, I think we have some that expire. One debit spread next week and one after. But just wanted to update you guys right now. The ones that I bought for this week for the breakout strategy are DBX and also McAfee. Just letting you guys know, just updating you guys again. Don't play these unless you look at the chart first. I'm not here to give you guys signals. I'm not here to give you guys anything else apart from, I gave you guys a breakout strategy. Learn it and trade by yourself. Don't expect me to always post my plays and stuff because I'm not going to. It's your job to actually look for positions, look for stuff that is going to print, look for stuff according to the breakout. Look at the videos, look at all that stuff and learn, right? I'm not gonna be here every single time, and I'm gonna stop posting these videos as soon as I buy the contracts. I'm probably gonna post a day or 2 after. That way, whatever. But don't rely on me as like a signal provider because that's not what I am. All I'm doing is just TA, and I happen to share my breakout strategy that I've been using for a while. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Keep studying that breakout strategy. Keep all that good stuff. Hopefully it works out for all of us. Hopefully it's been really good so far. Let's cross our fingers that it stays that way. I'll see you guys later.